welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be kind of like a live, I guess, because I'm going to be going through the process and doing what I'm going to review today as we go. So let's just jump right into this video. Today's video is going to be a review on what I'm doing about my roots for this quarantine series number 3. Like a lot of you out there, I have personally not been able to make it to the salon. I've not been able to do my roots or anything. And I was finally able to get my hair dye that I use. They had it on their website, which I will have linked right here. I was so excited because they had my color and they were in, and it actually took less time than what they had said. I know they've kind of been on backstock, but anyway, so I'm pretty excited. So I'm going to show you guys what product I am using to do my roots, since I can't get into my girl to do my whole thing. Madison Reed. This is actually the box that they shipped it to me in. Sometimes I purchased it at Ulta, I purchased it off of Amazon, and then of course I've been looking everywhere because it's been sold out, because I feel like everyone's doing this right now, like trying to find a product to be the filler while we're in this craziness. So, but this is what I use anyways. Like, I love this product. I actually did a whole entire review, so I'm not going to be going over everything in depth because I already have a video, which I will have linked here or here, you know the drill. Madison Reed commented on it, so it was really awesome. So definitely check it out because I go into super detail. This video, I'm literally going to show you how I do my roots with this product. And then of course I wanted to show you guys, because it wasn't a normal box that I normally get, but I wanted to show you guys what they got. So we're just going to open this bad boy up and see everything that you guys get. So it still looks like pretty much the inside of a normal box that you would get at the store or when they ship it or when you purchase it. So you still get, I still got this. So this is like your directions on how you want to do it, which I'm gonna show you guys that anyways. And I still get my radiant cream color. I still got my cap. I still have gloves. So they usually send a couple things of gloves, which is super awesome. But with everything going on, they're only sending one set. And I love their gloves, you guys. This is literally the only hair dye I've ever used that wasn't from my hairdresser. But I have a lot of friends, and like my mom use like regular box color, and honestly these are the best gloves. So that's another reason why I really like them. They don't rip, they're awesome, so you don't have to deal with that. Here is the conditioning color activator that it comes with. So everything seems to be pretty much the same. I haven't even gone through this, so we're kind of going through it together just to make sure it's pretty much the same as when I purchased before. And I love that they send a little packet of shampoo and conditioner for color treated hair. So I have another video I'm going to link for you guys. If you don't know what hair products I'm using, I have a lot of people that ask me. I actually did a really cool video. It's got so much information and just like my process and what I do, because I have a lot of products that I use and that I like. So I will have that linked here if you guys want to check it out. And I do talk about color treated shampoo. That's one of my interchangeables. So, but I love Madison Reed for doing this. This is really cool because this stuff I love, and I can usually get 1 to 2 washes out of it. So that's a plus. It also comes with these cleansing wipes. So after I apply it, I can wipe off everything and it takes it right off if it's gotten anywhere. And the last but not least is the barrier cream. So yeah, everything is pretty much in there as normal, and it just came in this shipping box instead of the Madison Reed box. So this is gonna be a really quick video today, I feel, because we're just powering through it. And yeah, we're gonna go do this right now together. Let's go upstairs and dye my roots. So seriously, this live didn't go exactly how I planned. As you can see, just everything that could go wrong, it did go wrong. Long story short, my camera batteries died, my makeup became a horrid mess. It's just been one thing after another, but we are gonna power through this video, damn it, and I am gonna get it done. And you guys are gonna see how I got to this finished look. I am not redoing my makeup. This is gonna be raw and real for the rest of the video. So let's get back upstairs so I can finish the video. I parted my hair in the middle and then I literally cut it into 4 pieces, as you guys saw. I rolled it up and got these little clippy guys in there to hold each little mini bun that I did. And then I know you guys saw me, hopefully. So literally, at least I got through one side. I did the same thing on the next side, and I pull them out as I go. So each little bun, as I do around the cutout, as you would say, I go ahead and pull it out, and then I continue on. So once I got through all 4 of them, I went ahead and I just kind of like start pulling my hair back like this, and I just start putting in the dye, and I'm literally massaging it with the gloves on, just massaging the dye, and I'm keeping it to as close to the roots as possible. And then obviously when I get to the front, like I'm just pushing it forward. So I just massaged it throughout my entire scalp. Once I had everything out, just take the rest of the excess and I just squirt it all, and then I'm just literally doing this so it gives me a slicked back look. And then once I get that done, then I just grabbed it like this and I kind of just wrapped it like I did. I just made a giant bun like I did the minis, and I just wrap it around because I don't want to get any of this. I'm literally just doing my roots because I like the ombre effect and it still comes out really nice. So I did that. I took these clippies, and I actually took 2. I'm just pretending here so that that didn't get anything on it. So I have this all slicked back, and then I used the cap, which I know this is all destroyed because I was irritated, but it came in the little box. I took the cap out and I throw it on just because I don't want crap everywhere. And then at that point, I took this cleansing cream and I use that literally like a makeup wipe, and I use that to take off because I did have black dye. I got it, I actually drizzled some right here. It was a mess. And then normally I don't get it everywhere. Madison Reed's formula is really nice where I'm wearing a good shirt. I honestly, half the time when I do my roots, I don't make sure I have a crappy shirt on because I honestly never get it everywhere. Usually I'll just get it like around here, so obviously I don't want to wear a turtleneck or anything. And granted, no, even with how cautious I am, I won't wear white just because I'm always so bad with white, even though I love it. It's my favorite thing to wear, black and white. But anyways, the ears, I know you guys saw I put that barrier cream. I literally rub it all over the back and everything because that's where I tend to get most of the stuff. Is on the ears, obviously, because your hair is like right there. So anyways, I just wipe myself up right away. Anywhere I got it, I got it in random places today because it's just been a shit show. We already went over that. Then I put this on, and then I threw away my gloves, and I literally, guys, I'll use my box as my little trash can, and that'll all go to the trash. So I throw everything in there. I go, it depends on what you're going for. I always go like 40 to 45 minutes. Sometimes I'll go a little bit longer. It's totally not recommended, but that's what I do. Went in and I used the Madison Reed shampoo, and then I used the Madison Reed conditioner. When I wash my hair, this is literally the first time, obviously, after I've dyed it to get the dye out. I always try to do it in as cold as water as I can stand. And that's supposed to help preserve and keep your color longer. Went ahead and went through, brushed it out, used my matrix spray that I always do after I wash my hair. I have not blow dried or nothing. Washed my face in the meantime because, like I said, it was a hot mess. I would not recommend dyeing your hair with makeup on. And that's just because the barrier cream, between the barrier cream and then the cleansing wipe, I had, my makeup was gone. And then I washed my hair, and I don't know about you guys, I did mine in the sink because that's the other thing. I never wash my hair in my shower. I have an all white porcelain shower, and it's like, if I were to go wash my hair, all that black dye would get in there and it would stain, and then I'd have an awesome mess to clean up. So I always wash my hair the first few times after I dye it in my sink in the kitchen, so my head's down, and I usually have water running. It does run in my face or my eyes sometimes, so yeah, my makeup's done. So, but this is the end look, and I still have my ombre effect because I do have naturally red highlights, but and then I do have my girl that does my hair, so I don't touch the bottom part of it. I haven't gotten that ballsy yet. At least my roots are done, and I can go in quarantine for a little bit longer. Okay guys, and that is it. I'm so sorry this video did not go as planned, but hey, sometimes things happen that you don't expect and you just gotta roll with it, right? I guess it's not gonna get any more real than this. And again, like, I'm happy that I was able to at least complete and go through some of the steps before everything went to crap. But, and you guys still learned something, and it was at least fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, please continue to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.